welcome back to my channel. Today's video, y'all, is going to be a get ready with me because it is time to get cute. I was looking dusty, okay? Dusty. So I had to get cute, and it's Tommy's birthday weekend and another influencer's YouTuber girls trip. So of course you gotta get cute for that, okay? So today I did my hair. Y'all see my hair done. Super cute. Yes, I did this myself and it's super cute. I do have a tutorial, or will have a tutorial detailed video on how I achieved this beautiful install, so go check that out. Today, y'all, I'm just gonna be getting ready. The trip is tomorrow. I decided to be very last minute. I don't know why, but yeah. So I have to pack. First of all, find some outfits, pack, do my lashes and do my nails, and clean my whole apartment. So yeah, it's a lot, and it is currently 1:47 a.m. and the flight is at 9:30 a.m. and I gotta leave my house at 7:30 a.m. Why did I wait till the last minute to do all this? I don't know, but we finna do it. But yeah, y'all, now it is time to pack. Find outfits and pack. So we actually have a mini itinerary of what we'll be doing, so I'm going to pack accordingly. So the itinerary states so first of all, we need an airport outfit. My airport outfit will be my clothing brand outfit. I sell women's wear. I have jogging suits. It'll be down below. Super cute. Me and two other girls who will be on the trip will be wearing them matching. So yeah, go check out my Instagram, doll season, DOLLSCNN, to check out those jogging suits. But I'm gonna show y'all a little sneak peek because they're super cute. So if you ever need to catch a flight, travel, or just the outfit to wear in general, it's a party fit, it's an everyday fit, okay? Anywhere, everywhere you can put it on because it's super cute and comfortable. So I have two versions. I have my cloth set. I got my cloth, my cloth jogging suits. Y'all see the rhinestones, and they really bling and dance and shine in person. So I have that in black and pink. Then I have my velvet ones, come with like a cropped jacket. So yes, super cute. So that will be my outfit to the airport. And then when we get there, we are going to have a dance class at night. It's a pole dance class. So we need a black bodysuit and fishnet tights, y'all. Getting a little exotic. And then Saturday, we're probably gonna do like brunch or something. So pack some outfits for that. And later on is her party. It's Tommy's actual party. So that party is jersey and Jordans only. Tommy made sure she enforced Jordans and jerseys only. So everybody at the party better have jerseys and Jordans only. So yeah, I got my jersey and my Jordans. Super cute. I'll show y'all that later. And then Sunday we go home. So really simple, real simple weekend, y'all. So I'm gonna try not to overpack because I tend to overpack, for real. Okay, it is currently 2 a.m. Let's hurry up and find some outfits. Okay, so I found outfits, y'all, and now we have to try to make all of this fit in a tiny suitcase. My back is literally killing me. I've been on my feet all freaking day, y'all. Like, I am. I just want to KO. Like, oh my god. Y'all don't understand. I did somebody hair today, and I did 2 wig styles on myself today. Customized both wigs. Did a bunch of other stuff too. Like, oh my god, I'm so freaking tired. My body can't even take it anymore. My room is a freaking disaster right now, y'all, and you're supposed to clean up before you leave, like for a trip, but I can't. My house is a disaster too, because my living room and my kitchen was spotless, but then it got messed back up. It's just a little, like, little things I need to pick up that I'll probably pick up in the morning in a few hours. So now I'm about to try to fit all these clothes in this tiny suitcase. Let me show y'all the suitcase. It's a carry-on suitcase, but I'm not carrying it on. I'm taking it as a under the plane bag. So yeah. So I don't know why I didn't buy a bigger suitcase. I don't know what I was thinking. Like, this tiny bitty baby ass suitcase is not gonna fit all these clothes. Oh, I didn't even tell y'all who I was gonna be on this trip. So me, Jenny, Java, Tanaya, and Java's sister Daisy, Tommy, Kayla. Who else? That's all I know right now. So just watch me struggle to fit all this stuff in the suitcase, I guess, and don't judge my room, y'all, because it's a disaster. Until you reach my feet, baby, and reach right into the bottom of my fountain. I want to play in your deep, then dip me underway. You can feel my voice, low. Hold me till I scream forever, and watch me over until my. Y'all, so now I have my makeup bag packed. So yeah, I also need lashes in here. And then I am set. This bag really. I'm finna get mad. What's up with these little ass bags? Like, this bag is too fucking small. Oh my lord, I can't. So now what am I supposed to take my makeup in? A box? A bag? I can use a bag. I can use a hair bag. I'm gonna put the bag, I'm gonna put the clear bag in this bag. I'm not gonna dump everything in this bag. So I'll do it like this. Okay. Okay, y'all, so now makeup is packed, but we gotta pack hair stuff too. So I'm putting my hair stuff in a bag. These wig bags come in handy now. So I'm packing all my hair stuff in here too, cause yeah. So I got the B gel. Hopefully nothing busts in this bag. That's what I don't like about bags. Stuff tend to bust open, but hopefully we'll be okay. So now I need to pack my hygiene stuff, y'all. Everything is all scattered, and I honestly need to take a break right now. So I'm gonna take a small break, then pack my hygiene stuff. And yeah, cause baby, I'm about to fall out. It's 3 o'clock in the morning. I am about to pass out. I've been up since 9 a.m. Y'all, it is currently 4:44. But let me tell y'all how my auntie just came and saved my life. Okay, so my auntie lives up the street from me. My suitcase was too tiny. Those clothes was not fitting in that tiny little bitty suitcase. So she came and brought me her big suitcase. So thank God everything fit in there perfectly, like perfectly. So thank God for that. I don't know why she was up. This late. But thank God. Because what was I going to do with that tiny suitcase? Like, there was no way that stuff was going to fit at all. So yeah. I'm so tired. Honestly, I'm scared to go to sleep because it's 4:50 right now. 4:50. And I have to leave the house at 7. So it's kind of like, should I even go to sleep? Because if I go to sleep, I'm scared I'm going to oversleep and miss my freaking flight. Like, I'm so scared. But I don't understand because I'm so tired. So I'm going to try to take an hour nap. Set hella alarms. Hopefully I'll wake up on time. I will wake up on time. And yeah. But the video is not over. Don't click out yet. Don't click out. I got to do my nails. So with me, I just wear press-ons. I recently started to wear press-ons because Betty on a budget, baby. And plus, press-ons are like really convenient and cute and not damaging to the real nail. So yep, I get these little press-ons from Amazon, and they so cute. They're French white tips, so cute.
Then dip me underway. You can feel my mind for flow. Hold me till I scream for air breathe, and wash me over until my well runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, 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 deep, 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 deep.
So this is how the nails turned out, y'all. They got a little dust around them because the glue was really messy. I don't know what I did. I guess because I'm sleepy. But yeah, filing them definitely gives them like a whole nother look. I love that. So another thing we're getting ready for trips, y'all, when you're flying, is to make sure you got some music downloaded, because you're gonna be on a plane with no Wi-Fi. You need to have some music downloaded. So I'm going to download my playlist. I'm gonna let y'all watch me. All these songs are already downloaded, so let's start from here. Just download all these songs so I can listen to them while I'm on the plane. A lot of these are already downloaded.
Deep, babe, deep, babe, deep. Then dip me underway. You can feel my mind for flow. Hold me till I scream for air breathe, and wash me over until my will.
Okay, everything is downloaded. Now I need to charge my phone. It is 5 o'clock, 5:24. That's really it. I'm done getting ready. That's everything. And I'm keeping my makeup on. Yep. And I'm gonna wear it to the airport. Y'all will see in my next vlog, you know, me going to the airport and off that jazz, meeting up with everyone. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. You know the drill, you know the deal, and you know what to do. Thank you for watching. I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you. And you know it's true. Bye. Bye, bye, bye. Bye. Bye, y'all. Bye-bye. Bye. Bye-bye.